This is the wheel that we are going to fix. Now we don't know where the puncture is, but we will find out. Because the tyre is completely flat, flat tyre only. Here we go. Puppy Dexy, do you reckon it's going to work? We'll have a look. Can't see nothing obvious. Oh, we can hear it hissing, that's for sure. Is it hissing there? Puppy Dexy, is it hissing there, is it? Hmm? Where did we hear it? There it is. All right. All right. Let's go fix it. Isn't that right, Puppy Dexy? Right. Now that we know where our hole is, this is the tools we're going to need to fix it. Now, in this kit, this is the original tool that you need to elongate the hole. See, that's what you got to do. That's how you do it. And there's nothing wrong with that. It's a bit hard work. I, however, do it a little bit differently. Here's one that I prepared earlier. Now this, I will put in my drill. Just like that. And instead of doing it manually, like that, we're going to do it like this. In no time, it's done. No effort. That's the best part. Now what we've got to do is we've got to get a plug, one of these worm looking things that are sticky as, and we need to put it through that hole and then insert it here. Right, yeah, let's do it. Right, and this is what it should look like. It's through there, roughly in the middle. Now, instead of doing the tyre how it was lying down, which is much harder to push as it's going to slide, you put it on the ground and you insert this straight down. Now, it's not the easiest thing in the world, especially trying to do it one-handed, but there it goes. Now when you get it roughly halfway down, you need to now tug this quite quickly so that it stays there, just like that. There we go, done it. Now we're going to have to trim it so that it doesn't protrude that far. Now to trim it, all we do is get a Stanley knife and we cut it flush with the tyre. Now this is always going to be a hell of a lot easier if we do it with two hands, but because no one is here to film except me, I have to do it one-handed. There we go. Done. And now we're going to pump it to make sure that our repair does not leak. Since our repair leaks, that is lovely. Tyre fixed. And there we have it. One tyre fixed. Now let's go and fit it.